how to add admin to Facebook page on PC. So if you want to add admins to your Facebook page, then all you have to do is first of all open up your browser, any browser that you're comfortable with, and then open up your Facebook. And after opening your Facebook, on the upper right corner you will have your profile. Click on that and then click on see all profiles and choose a page. And after opening your page, on the left side you will have professional dashboard. Click on that. Before proceeding, make sure to like and subscribe our channel for more videos. And here on the left side you will have a bunch of options. If you scroll down, you will find page access. Click on page access, and here if you want to add admin, so you can click on add new and then click on next, and then you can search a person by the name or email, and after searching that you can click on that person and request them to be a new admin, and after they accept your proposal, then they will be added as an admin. So that's it guys, that's how you add admins to your Facebook page on PC, and if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.